I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want bigger words in Discord? The reliable method is an image. First, open a graphics app you already have. Create a new canvas, at least 1,200 by 600 pixels for clean results. That gives room to scale. Pick a bold, high-contrast font, set a large point size, and center your text. Once done, adjust line spacing and margins so the word fills the frame nicely. This immediately beats trying to change Discord's fixed chat font, so you get true, larger typography. Next, export the image with settings that preserve crisp letters. Choose PNG to keep sharp edges. If you used vectors, export an SVG, then convert to PNG if needed. Set resolution to around 150 dpi to balance quality and size, and make sure the background is transparent or solid depending on contrast needs. Once exported, check file size, compress slightly if over 8 megabytes so Discord accepts it. Make sure the visual scales well on mobile and desktop by previewing it. Finally, send your large word image to Discord. Drag it into the message box or click the plus icon to upload. Add a short caption if you want context, and pin the message or attach it to a channel topic for repeat visibility. If viewers report blurriness, don't panic. Reopen the source file, increase pixel dimensions, apply a slight sharpen filter, and export again. Make sure file format is PNG and check mobile preview. That single image workflow is the dependable way to make words look bigger in Discord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.